Hello dear students and welcome back to your own channel. In this video let us start theorem 6.6, which is the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. So let us prove this theorem in this video, and one example which is very important for the point of view of board examination. So that example you have to do. Okay. So this theorem, it is also very important, but this year it is reduced, it is excluded from your syllabus, this theorem. So but we are doing here theorem 6.6. What is the theorem? The ratio of areas of two similar triangles. So let us take very first two similar triangles. Any triangle you can take, which is up to you, ABC, and I am saying PQR. Generally we take these triangles only. Okay. So what is given to you, you have to prove. Very first given to you, these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So you know triangle आपके similar, this is given to you. What does it means? It means that is you are given that all the sides are in same proportion. So that means AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC CA upon PR. Okay, this is given to you. Let me say it is equation number 1. Okay, so we are given these two triangles are similar. Okay, so now what do you have to prove? The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. To prove, हमें प्रूफ करना है कि रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू सिमिलर ट्रायंगल, इसका मतलब एरिया ऑफ एबीसी का रेशियो एरिया ऑफ पीक्यूआर. ओके, तो रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स इज इक्वल्स टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड. इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड के स्क्वायर के रेशियो के इक्वल होगा. दैट मीन्स ए बी अपॉन पी क्यू, AB upon PQ whole square is equals to BC upon QR square is equals to AC upon CA upon PR square. So this is the theorem. Now see what is given to you. What else you have to prove? Again I am reading the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. So given a similar triangles, that means we know this. So the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to the square of the ratio of the corresponding side. The ratio of the corresponding side. ये theorem है. इस theorem को this year you don't have to prove it, but this thing you have to remember, that area of two similar triangles is equals to ratio square of their corresponding side. AB upon PQ का whole square, BC upon Q whole square, AC upon PR whole square. Okay, so quickly let us prove this exercise. No, sorry, this theorem. Okay, so I am erasing this. So here I will start for proving this theorem. Proof. Okay, first thing it is given to you, it's fine. ठीक है. अब एरिया कैसे निकलता है ट्राइंगल का? ट्राइंगल का एरिया निकालने के लिए हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट यू वांट. ओके, सो हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट के लिए वी वांट परपेंडिकुलर, तो इसका हाइट निकाल दो. ठीक है, इसको कुछ ए बी सी डी कह देते हैं, एंड यहाँ पर हम वी कैन राइट इट ए पॉइंट, कुछ भी कह दो. ठीक है, इट्स अप टू यू. So now we have to draw the perpendicular because we have to find the area. So I am writing area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equals to, in the place of ABC I can write half into base. What is base? BC into height. What is height? AD whole divided by half into PQR की जगह base into height. QR is the base and height is the PM. Now half to half cancel. So we have area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equals to BC upon QR into PM, or up we have into AD. Let me say this is equation number 2. ठीक है, तो अब हमें रेशियो ऑफ टू सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स, अभी हमें यहाँ पर क्या चाहिए? AB अपॉन PQ का होल स्क्वायर चाहिए. ठीक है, AB अपॉन PQ का होल स्क्वायर चाहिए. इसका मतलब AD और PM की जगह हमें ए बी अपॉन पी क्यू, किसी तरह चेंज करना है इनको, ठीक है। तो व्हाट वी कैन डू इन दिस, व्हाट वी कैन डू, ए डी अपॉन पी एम वी डोंट वांट, देखो ए डी अपॉन पी एम कहीं पर नहीं है, तो ए डी एम पी एम को रिमूव करना है, दैट मीन्स इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स में, ठीक है। सो व्हाट वी कैन टेक, इसको हम सिमिलर प्रूफ कर देते हैं। सो व्हाट वी विल टेक बेटा हियर, so this we have done. Now we can take in these two triangles. I told you that we have to prove these small triangles similar, okay. So let us prove these two similar triangles similar. So what I am doing, in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, okay, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree here also. This angle B is equals to this angle Q. Why? Because we are given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. अगर ये दोनों similar होंगे तो उनके corresponding angle भी equal होंगे, okay. So I am writing angle B is equals to angle Q as triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Because these two triangles are similar, because therefore these two angles are equal, and angle D is equals to angle M, which is 90 degree, because this is perpendicular. So therefore these two are similar by angle criteria. Therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by angle similarity criteria. Okay, so now we got these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are there, the corresponding sides are in same ratio, so we will write therefore AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM is equals to BD upon QM, ठीक है। So let me say this is equation number 2. So from here we got this. Equation number 1, what was given to us? Now look at here, what was given to us. So I am erasing. We got this. I want this statement. Okay. So here I can write. This we got now. So now what was given to us? Given as these two big triangles are in similar, so the corresponding side in same ratio, AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR. ये हमें given था, ठीक है, from equation 1. तो equation 1 you see that we have written as equation 1 this one. अब क्या करो, this one from equation 1 and equation this, all these are, देखो AB upon PQ इक्वल है AD अपॉन PM के, तो वी कैन राइट फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 AB अपॉन PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR is equals to, अब AB upon PQ इक्वल है AD अपॉन PM के, तो ये इक्वल है AD अपॉन PM के, और AD अपॉन PM इक्वल है BD अपॉन QM के, ठीक है। तो दिस इज BD अपॉन QM. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 वी गॉट दिस, ठीक है। सी हियर दिस वी गॉट, लेट मी से इट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 3. नाउ यू जस्ट पुट द वैल्यू फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर इन दिस इक्वेशन, ओके। सो नाउ देयरफॉर substituting the value of equation 3 in equation 1. So I am writing area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equals to, सबसे पहले हम प्रूव कर देते हैं AB upon PQ का होल स्क्वायर, ओके। सो BC upon QR, in the place of BC upon QR we can write AB upon PQ, ठीक है। इन दोनों की जगह हमने दिया AB upon PQ into AD upon PM की जगह भी हम AB upon PQ we can write. So AB upon PQ. So we can write as AB upon from equation 3 we can write, ठीक है. So we have written substituting. So therefore area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equals to AB upon PQ का whole square, ठीक है. So first we got this. Now again we can substitute. See, we want BC upon QR now. BC upon QR, तो BC upon QR तो ठीक है. AD upon PM की जगह हम BC upon QR substitute कर सकते हैं because both are equal. So second time what we can write? Substituting AD upon PM is equals to BC upon QR from equation 3 in equation 2. So here we will write, so what we will get? Area of ABC whole divided by area of PQR is equals to BC upon QR. This is already here. AD upon PM की जगह again we can write BC upon QR. So we got BC upon QR whole square. Same way now AC upon PR we want, ठीक है. तो BC upon QR की जगह हम AC upon PR लिख सकते हैं. Same way AD upon PM की जगह भी हम AC upon PR लिख सकते हैं. तो similarly substituting, right, substituting full, the substituting what we want, AC upon PR is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AD upon PM from equation 3 in equation 2. So what we'll get? So from here we will get, therefore area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equals to, now in the place of these two I am substituting AC upon PR into AC upon PR. So which shows AC upon PR whole square, ठीक है. तो from equation 1 dash and here we get 2 dash, this one equation, and this we got 3 dash. So therefore from equation 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash, ठीक है. तो इन तीनों equation से what result we got? We got area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equals to AB upon PQ whole square is equals to BC upon QR whole square is equals to AC upon PR whole square. तो यही हमें प्रूफ करना चाहिए था, which is proved. Okay, so how we have to, let quickly recap of it. What we want, area of ABC upon area of PQR is equals to square of the area of the corresponding side, ठीक है. तो हमने सबसे पहले ये लिखा, half into base into height करके भी कर. So we got this result. So this is the main result which we got. One by one we will substitute the value of here so that we will get AB upon BC का whole square, ठीक है. So what we will do? We will take these small triangles. इनको similar proof कर दो. So they will be angle से similarities है. They will be similar. If they are similar, so this upon this is equals to AD upon PM we will prove. बस उन दोनों equation से given से और उससे हमारा result क्या मिल जाएगा? Equation number 3 dash which we got equal. Okay. Substituting one by value of this we got this. Okay. So this was our theorem. Okay. Now let us start the example which is very important. Yes, so we can see example number 9 in figure 6.343. The line segment XY is parallel to AC. So we are given these two are parallel. Okay, so these two line segments are parallel. This is parallel to this. Okay, so I am writing here XY is parallel to AC and ABC, and it divides the triangle into two parts of equal triangle. और जो लाइन सेगमेंट XY है वो ट्राइंगल को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करती है ऑफ इक्वल एरिया. ओके, इसका मतलब जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है सेकंड पार्ट है दोनों का एरिया इक्वल है. ओके, इसका मतलब एक ट्राइंगल हाफ ऑफ पार्ट में डिवाइड हो गया. दिस इज द हाफ पार्ट ऑफ ट्राइंगल, दिस इज द हाफ पार्ट ऑफ ट्राइंगल. ओके, दिस यू अंडरस्टैंड. एंड XY डिवाइड्स द ट्राइंगल इनटू टू पार्ट्स ऑफ इक्वल एरिया. इसका मतलब इनका एरिया इक्वल है. ओके, This you got, find, this is given to us, and you got area of XBY, ठीक है, XBY is equals to area of AXYC is equals to half of area of ABC. This you understand कि इन दोनों का एरिया इक्वल है, इसका मतलब ये दोनों का एरिया इक्वल है, जो कि आधा है एरिया ऑफ ABC का. ओके, so I am saying this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay, now what you are given, find. To find, we have to find AX upon AB. Okay, this you have to find AX upon AB, this full, this you have to find. So let us start solution because this you have to find. कुछ नहीं करना है. So we are given the area of these two. अब area given है तो please remember the area one theorem. Okay, so that means area of two triangles are equal. तो I am just taking area of, यहाँ पे दो triangle का आंसर बनता है, ये triangle है नहीं. This is a triangle. Area of XBY over area of full triangle ABC, इन दोनों का निकाल देते हैं. ठीक है, so XBY का एरिया कितना है, हाफ ऑफ ABC है ना, अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ABC आई एम राइटिंग एज इट इज. सो एरिया ऑफ ABC टू एरिया ऑफ ABC कैंसिल, 1/2 बचा, तो एरिया ऑफ XBY upon area of ABC is equals to 1/2, which is equals to the square of their corresponding sides. Okay, so that means इसकी corresponding sides क्या हैं, XBY की, XBY ये triangle है तो इसकी side है XB upon ABC की side क्या हो गई, AB. ओके, तो वन साइड लेके आपका ये प्रूव हो जाएगा बिकॉज AX upon AB एक ही साइड का है तो वी कैन टेक एक साइड, रेस्ट टू साइड्स इफ यू नॉट टेक तो दैट इज ओके. तो दिस इज अवर थ्योरम. ठीक है, सो राइट बाय थ्योरम एरिया ऑफ टू ट्राइंगल्स इज इक्वल्स टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड. और यही से हमने क्या निकाल दिया कि XBY की जगह हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, हाफ ऑफ ABC यहाँ पर है विच इज गिवन टू अस, तो कैंसिल आउट, तो वी गॉट that means XB upon AB whole square. So we can take these two now. So therefore because we want side, XB upon AB का whole square is equals to 1/2, which shows XB upon AB, इसको उधर करेंगे तो 1/√2 हो जाएगा, स्क्वायर रूट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, now let us see what we got. AB तो हमें चाहिए, AX यहाँ पर XB, तो इन द प्लेस ऑफ XB वी वांट AX. अब XB से AX कैसे मिलेगा, ठीक है, XB इज दिस, उससे हमें AX चाहिए, तो कैसे होगा, जब हम AB में से XB माइनस कर देंगे तो वी विल गेट AX, है ना. पूरे में से अगर हम XB माइनस कर देंगे तो वी विल गेट AX. तो AB में से माइनस करना है तो इसका मतलब मैं इसके आगे 1 माइनस कर दूं तो इसका मतलब AB, इसका एलसीएम लेंगे तो AB माइनस XB हो जाएगा ना. सो व्हाट विल गेट, subtracting, let me say this is equation number 3. Okay, this is equation number 3. Subtracting equation 3 from 1. ठीक है, अब इसको 1 से subtract करना है. So what we will get, see here, so we will get, subtract it, so I am erasing from here. So you will get 1 minus XB upon AB is equals to what we have one side. So both the side we have to do. Take the LCM. AB minus XB upon AB is equals to √2 minus LCM लोगे तो √2 minus 1 upon √2. So AB minus XB, AB में से XB minus करोगे we will get AX. यही तो चाहिए था हमें, AX upon AB की वैल्यू is √2 minus 1 upon √2. This is the value of AX upon AB. Okay, so one more thing you can do in this. क्या कर सकते हो, अगर यहाँ पर छोड़ना है it's okay fine, but if you want to make this denominator rational 2 बनाना है तो इसको भी √2 और √2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो ऊपर नीचे, और we can write it AX upon AB is equals to √2 minus 1 upon √2 we have. Root 2 upon root 2 will multiply. So we'll get root 2 into root 2, 2 minus root 2 upon root 2 into root 2, 2. So ax upon ab, the answer can be this also, the answer can be this also. Both the answers are right. Okay. So this is your example 9. So hope you understand this. This was very easy. So now please like and share the video. For this exercise is over. It's completed. Thank you very much. Keep on watching. Do practicing. Thank you and bye bye.